Mark, the auto top-up from ETL Fluid Expert is one of your key products in keeping your clients competitive and saving them money effectively. Now, can you explain to our audience how it works?
This is an automated top-up valve. It's installed on onto the sump, one per machine, and this completely eliminates the requirement for the customer or the operator of that machine to fill his tank with coolant. Fully automated when paired up with our smart mixing system.
I mean, I can obviously see the savings of automating the top-up of coolant. It's something that you certainly wouldn't associate coolant with, automation. Can you tell our audience the importance of keeping the concentration and the top-up of the machine at the correct levels?
We find that the most important thing is to keep the level correct. If the level is correct inside that machine, one, that machine's going to keep operating, but two, the concentration will remain stable because we're putting in a small amount of fluid, 10, 20 times per day, all automated. There's no drop in level. When we see a big drop in level when this is the operator that's filling the systems, that's when we see the concentration is going to be wildly out of control.
And what does that mean?
A few things. It means that you're going to get consistent tool life. It means you're going to get consistent surface finish in the sump. That machine's going to be operating. And because the coolant is at a consistent concentration, we're going to see a reduction in the amount of concentrate that you're using.
So talk me through some of the main key points that a client could save on, the savings that he would make through automating his coolant top-up.
This product will pay for itself just in the fact that you're going to reduce the amount of concentrate that you're using. The other benefits of those machines are just going to keep operating all of the time.
So when it comes to aspects such as tool life, machine tool longevity, does this also play a part in elements such as this within the
Absolutely,
engineering process?
The tool life in itself would pay for this product, tool life extension. Because the concentration is consistent, the tools are going to last for a long time, and the tool wear is going to be consistent, so there's going to be no unexpected failures.
Now, these particular add-ons, the auto top-up units, one per machine?
One per machine. So this gets installed on the machine itself. It can be mounted to the machine, it can be mounted to the wall, to some building structure. It's an automated valve. The only installation point on that machine then is a level sensor that's supplied as part of this unit.
And the level sensor, is this the sensor that monitors the coolant?
This is monitoring the level of coolant inside that tank. So when the level is detected low, we open the valve. When we're happy with the level, we close the valve.
So it sounds pretty straightforward to me, Mark. How should people get in touch to find out more?
The best place to get in touch is on our website, or you can call us directly with the number that is available on the website.